Dear students, Indian English. Be ready.
Dear students, these are very important MCQs regarding forthcoming examination on poem Very Indian, poem in Indian English written by Nissim Ezekiel. So for answers, take notebook and pen and note down answers on your notebook. Let's start. This is the first MCQ on this poem. MCQ number 1. Nissim Ezekiel was an dash 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 poet. Options are A. Indo-Anglian, B. Anglo-Indian, C. Irish, D. Australian. The correct answer is Indo-Anglian. Question number 2. Question number 2. Which poetry collection of Nissim Ezekiel received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1983? Options are A. A Time to Change, B. 60 Poems, C. Latter Day of Psalm, D. The Unfinished Man. The answer of this question is C. Latter Day of Psalm. Question number 3. Which English is used by Nissim Ezekiel in Very Indian poem in Indian English? Options are A. British English, B. Pidgin English, C. An American English, D. An Irish English. The correct answer is B. Pidgin English. Question number 4. The poem Very Indian poem in Indian English is also known as. Options are A. The English poem, B. The Indian poem, C. The Patriot, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. The Patriot. Next question. Question number 5. Nissim Ezekiel was an Indian Jew of dash 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 origin writer. A. British, B. An American, C. Israel, D. Ben Israel. The correct answer is Ben Israel, D. Ben Israel. Question number 6. Who was the only English poet who used Babu English for Indianized English? Options are A. Nissim Ezekiel, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Kamala Das. The correct answer of this question is A. Nissim Ezekiel. Next question, number 7. In the poem, Very Indian Poem in Indian English, the poet stands for A. Freedom, B. Peace and non-violence, C. Development, D. Indian people. The correct answer is B. Peace and non-violence. Question number 8. Which genuine Indian words were used by Nissim Ezekiel in the poem Very Indian Poem in Indian English? Options are A. Gunda, B. Lassi, C. Ramrajya, D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. Dear students, this is my email ID. You may email me your email and I will send you MCQs on your email. Question number 9. Which newspaper is mentioned in the poem Very Indian Poem in Indian English? Options are A. Times of India, B. The Lokmat Times, C. The Statesman, D. The Indian Times. The correct answer is A. Times of India. The last question of this video. Fill in the blanks of the line of the poem. One day, comma, dash 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 is surely coming. A. Lokshahi Rajya, B. Ram Rajya, C. Lok Rajya, D. Shiv Rajya. The correct answer is Ram Rajya. Dear friends, this is question number 11 regarding this poem. Which neighboring country's behavior was mentioned by the poet in the poem? Options are A. China, B. Pakistan, C. Bangladesh, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. In this way, dear friends, these are the MCQs regarding the poem Very Indian Poem in English. Be ready for forthcoming MCQs and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, friends. Thank you.